Hey guys, it's Delinda, aka Mooney, aka Mooney's Big Diary, and welcome back to my channel. It's nice seeing you guys again. You already know what today's video is about to be about if you read the actual title. I'm going to be sponsoring JUST4KIRA and telling y'all about their contacts and how they look. And if you could already tell, this shit is the real deal. Like, these are like realistic contacts. Like, these are the ones that y'all need to try and y'all need to get. Now, there is a lot of struggle because it is my first time literally putting contacts in on my own. I've had contacts before and it didn't last even a day because I just could not put them in or take them out. So who knows, maybe in the future I will come back and, you know, use these some more when the opportunity comes. So stay tuned and pay attention to the description box because that's where everything's gonna be linked down below. I don't want to ramble. I don't want to hold y'all any longer than this. So let's get into the video. Today's video is sponsored by JUST4KIRA, and it is a color contacts lenses company. I haven't worn eye contacts in a minute. Last time I wore eye contacts, I was in middle school. I didn't really enjoy them. They were clear though. Like, I didn't want to get the colored ones because I didn't think they would look good on me. Also, every time I saw somebody with colored eye contacts, their eyes were like a jump scare. Jesus, what is that? This company, they reached out to me and they were like, oh, like, our contacts look very natural. Give us a chance, you know, like, see if you like it. And I was like, okay, girl, let's see what we're working with. This card is very important because it's going to tell you how to put it in, how to clean it and shit like that, because your eyes are very important. You cannot be out here playing with your eyeballs. I don't know if I plan on wearing these for real. Honestly, I just really want to see how I look with like colored eyes. It comes looking like this. This is what the box looks like. These are the lenses, and I think this is the solution on the side. I'm not sure. I don't know. Let's look into it. I'm going to open the box and show you guys what we're working with. So I'm going to open it, right? And we're going to be very, very fucking careful. Wait, I'm actually kind of scared. I need to like read the instructions a little bit better because I can't sit here and not read the instructions. The color I'm using now is Nayla Brown. Okay, I'm back. Hands washed. It feels like I'm doing surgery. I got it right here. Am I gonna take my lashes off? Okay, I might have to take my lash. But I feel like my lashes are gonna make it pop, but I have to. For safety reasons, I'm gonna have to take my lashes off. Okay. Okay, let's get into it. Hold on, I gotta hold this eyelid up. Fuck, this shit ain't gonna work. I got one in, bitch. Now I got it in. Now let's hope I don't have to fight for my fucking life to get it back out. Okay, I managed to get both on. That shit took way too long. Like, my makeup came off and it was just a very scary moment. So yeah, these shits they look natural. Again, I got it in the color Nayla Brown. And yeah, it's such a natural, pretty color. I think they fit me really well. Was it a bitch to get in? Yes. Is it gonna be a bitch to take out? Even more. This is for me to put on for the contact babes, you know? So like, if you wear contacts and shit, now I see why people would like, I'd be like, but yeah, it's pretty. Like, it's a cute, you know, a little look for the girls. It's cute or whatever. Like, I don't know. Now we're gonna move on to the next. So I'll see y'all when my makeup is damn near like off my face. I don't know how the contacts babes do it. Like, y'all are warriors. Okay, this one was another fucking fight that took like damn near 20 minutes to put in. This one is in the color Nayla Green. This eye was giving me trouble, so I don't know if it's like, if it looks a little off, it's because I was fucking fighting for my life.
Oh, boo-hoo! Let me play
Africa by Toto
for you on the world's smallest
Alexa.
This one went in no issue, so it's whatever. I don't know. I really like it. I wish I just wasn't so fucking sensitive with what goes in my eyes, because then it wouldn't be as, you know, hard to deal with. The pairs I have left is Crystal Brown and Hedo Blue. So let's get into it. I don't even look like me anymore. I just found out that there's like a cinematic setting on my phone, so we're gonna be utilizing the fuck out of this. I got in Miss Crystal Brown. Putting in these contacts is taking day by day for me, bro, but I'm like slowly getting used to it at the same time. It's cute. These are like really natural. They look really good on me. Like, I don't like, I'm scared for Hito Blue because that's gonna be my first time having blue contacts in. My only con with these contacts, but I guess it's a contact thing in general, the more realistic that they are, the thinner they are. So it's very easy for them to get all floppy on you. So they be turning inside out. So I don't even be know. And the thing is, it shows you a clear picture of how to be able to tell what it looks like when it's inside out. But to me, it looks the same. I'm pretty sure this eye is inside out. I can't tell because like, why is this part so like, but if it is, it's not bothering me. Like, at least it's like, it doesn't make you want to like claw your eyes out. Okay, this is what Hito Blue looks like. I think Hito Blue is quite pretty. For some reason, this eye always looks better than this eye. Like, this eye always looks like it'd be tripping, but I can't tell if like that's my pupil or whatever or what. But it's supposed to be like, you know, a mixture of like different colors. So we got some green and some blue. So those two together is supposed to like make it, you know, look like this. That is the end. I will be leaving my code and everything in the description box so y'all can go shop. I do definitely recommend the brand though because their stuff is pretty cute. I'm not gonna lie. Very realistic and very good quality. Like, if I was like comfortable with my eyes, I would have definitely got these made into prescription, and they do offer prescriptions on their website. So if you know what your eyesight prescription is for contacts, they will send it to you. Use my code, have fun, go shop for the girls, do what you gotta do. See you guys next time because your girl is freaking tired, bro. I'm exhausted. I've been up all night. I've been up for many nights actually, but that's a story for another time. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Bye.